Back again, YouTube. It's your boy Mad Max. This video right here, my first job. My first job I ever had in my whole life was a dishwasher. Worked at a restaurant. I was 17 years old. My stepfather, he helped me get that job. I worked there for good 4 months. I got fired. I got into it with the manager. That was my first job, man. My second job, I worked at a temp service. I worked at a football stadium. That's my second job. Worked at a football stadium doing cleanup, stadium cleanup at a temp service. My third job, I worked at a baseball stadium doing cleanup and janitorial. I had jobs. You know what I'm saying? I had security jobs. I had landscaping jobs. I had restaurant jobs. So I had jobs, man. You know, I believe in hard work and dedication, man. I definitely believe in hard work, man. You know, I man.